How do I update my MediaTek driver? To update your MediaTek driver, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the official website of MediaTek. 2. Look for the Support or Downloads section on the website. 3. Within the Support or Downloads section, search for the drivers related to your specific MediaTek device. 4. Locate the latest driver compatible with your device and operating system. Ensure that you select the correct driver version. 5. Download the driver file to your computer. Make note of the location where you save the file. 6. After the download is complete, navigate to the location where the driver file is saved. 7. Double-click on the driver file to start the installation process. 8. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the driver installer. This may include accepting the license agreement and choosing an installation location. 9. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. This allows the new driver to be properly recognized and loaded. 10. After restarting, go to the device manager on your operating system. 11. Look for any entries related to your MediaTek device. If you find any, right-click on them and select Update Driver. 12. Choose the option to search for the updated driver software automatically. 13. The device manager will search for the updated driver and install it if a newer version is found. 14. After the driver installation is complete, restart your computer once again to ensure that all changes take effect. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.